Oh hey guys, this is going to be a fire alarm tour at Walmart. I'm on my spring break in Myrtle Beach. See here? I'm at the Walmart, and I believe they have special advances, ceiling mounts. Over here we have I don't know how to pronounce that word, fire extinguisher, and then there's the tape. And I'll let you get your card. Oh, there's a Wheelock AS down there. There's a Wheelock AS right there. And a giant TV. And I wonder if there are advances here, like the one in Charleston does. It has advances, and I believe there's an AS down there. This building must have the older system with those Wheelock ASs. And there's a fire extinguisher down there. Oh, there's an AS at the middle of the pole. Oh, there's a Spectrum Classic down there, like for the old system. And giant security cameras. So yeah, the Wheelock ASs, this Walmart system seems to be older than the one in my hometown of Charleston, South Carolina, where it has advances mounted in the rafters. And there's some giant security cameras. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, there's a Spectrum Advanced right down there. And I believe I saw more alarms. Well, I don't see any in the rafters. Oh, sorry. And I don't know if there are any more Wheelock ASs. Anyway, I'll see you guys later.